Chameleons are some of the most fascinating reptiles in the world. They are a special type of lizard, known for their incredible ability to change color. These creatures belong to a very old family of animals, with over 200 different species identified by scientists so far. They come in many sizes, from the tiny pygmy chameleon that can sit on your fingertip to the much larger Parsons chameleon, which can grow as long as a house cat. Their bodies are perfectly adapted for a life spent climbing. They have feet shaped like tongs to grip branches tightly, and many have a prehensile tail that acts like a fifth limb, providing extra balance and security as they move through the trees. They are truly unique among lizards. These amazing animals are found in a variety of warm habitats across the globe. Most chameleon species live in the lush rainforests and dry savannas of Africa and the island of Madagascar. In fact, nearly half of all chameleon species are native only to Madagascar, making it a hotspot for these colorful reptiles. Some species can also be found in southern Europe, the Middle East, and across to Sri Lanka and India. They are perfectly suited for their environments, whether it's the dense foliage of a jungle or the sparse branches of a desert bush. Their survival depends on their ability to blend in and navigate the complex three-dimensional world of trees and shrubs where they spend almost their entire lives. Chameleons are masters of disguise, but they don't just use their skills to hide. They are arboreal, which means they are adapted to living in trees. Their bodies are built for climbing. Their zygodactylous feet, where toes are fused into two opposing groups on each foot, give them a powerful clamp-like grip on twigs and branches. This allows them to move slowly and deliberately through the canopy without falling. Their tails are also a critical tool for climbing. Many chameleons have a prehensile tail that they can curl around branches for extra support, much like a monkey. This tail helps them balance as they reach for the next branch, making them slow but steady acrobats of the forest. The life of a chameleon is a slow and cautious one. They are not fast runners like many other lizards. Instead, they rely on patience and stealth to survive. They often move with a gentle rocking motion, swaying back and forth as they walk. Scientists believe this movement mimics the look of a leaf rustling in the wind, making it harder for predators to spot them. This careful, measured pace is part of their camouflage strategy. By moving slowly and blending in with their surroundings, they can avoid being seen by sharp-eyed birds of prey, snakes, and other animals that might want to eat them. Every part of a chameleon, from its feet to its walk, is designed for a quiet life hidden among the leaves. One of the most famous things about chameleons is their ability to change color. Many people think they do this only to match their background, but that is not the whole story. While blending in is important, chameleons change their skin color for many other reasons. Their color can change based on their mood, like when they are scared, angry, or trying to attract a mate. It can also change depending on the temperature or the amount of light in their environment. A chameleon might turn a darker color to absorb more heat from the sun in the morning and then change to a lighter color to reflect heat when it gets too warm. It is a form of communication and regulation. The way chameleons change color is an amazing scientific process. It is not like mixing paint. Underneath their transparent outer skin, chameleons have special cells called chromatophores. These cells contain different colored pigments. Deeper still, they have layers of nanocrystals. The chameleon can change the spacing between these tiny crystals. By stretching or relaxing their skin, they control how light reflects off these crystals, creating the vibrant blues, greens, and reds we see. This allows them to produce a stunning array of colors and patterns, almost like they have a built-in light show on their skin. This complex system gives them precise control over their appearance. Color is a language for chameleons. A male chameleon might display bright, bold colors to warn another male to stay away from his territory. If he is trying to impress a female, he might show off his most spectacular patterns to prove he is healthy and strong. A female chameleon can also use color to signal whether she is interested in mating or if she is already pregnant. Dark or drab colors can be a sign of stress or illness, letting other chameleons know that something is wrong. By observing a chameleon's colors, you can get a good idea of what it is feeling and trying to say to the world around it. It is a silent but very effective form of communication. So while camouflage is a key part of their survival strategy, it is just one piece of the puzzle. The ability to change color helps them hide from predators like birds and snakes, and it also helps them ambush their own prey without being seen. A chameleon resting on a green leaf can become nearly invisible, but the social and emotional signals sent through color are just as important for their daily lives. This incredible adaptation allows them to interact with their environment and with each other in a deeply complex way. It is this combination of hiding, communicating, and regulating their body temperature that makes their color-changing skin one of nature's most brilliant inventions. The eyes of a chameleon are another one of its most remarkable features. They are very different from our own eyes or those of other animals. Each eye is set in a cone-shaped turret and can move independently from the other. This means a chameleon can look in two different directions at the same time. It can scan for danger behind it with one eye while looking for food in front of it with the other. This gives the chameleon a full 360-degree view of its surroundings without ever having to turn its head. This amazing visual ability is crucial for a creature that needs to be constantly aware of both predators and prey in its complex treetop home. When a chameleon spots something interesting, like a tasty insect, it will lock both of its eyes onto the target. This is called binocular vision, and it is the same way our eyes work to see in 3 dimensions. By focusing both eyes on the same object, the chameleon can judge distance with incredible accuracy. This is extremely important for a hunter that relies on a single, precise strike to catch its meal. The chameleon's eyelids are fused together, leaving only a small pinhole opening for the pupil to see through. This helps protect its eyes and also acts like a telephoto lens, allowing it to zoom in and see small details from far away. The structure of the chameleon's eye is perfectly designed for its lifestyle. The turret-like shape allows for a wide range of motion, letting the animal survey its entire world from a single spot. This saves energy and reduces movement that might attract predators. While one eye swivels around, scanning the leaves and branches, the other can remain fixed on a point of interest. This split brain processing allows the chameleon to multitask visually, a skill that is vital for survival. It can simultaneously be on the defensive, watching for a lurking snake, and on the offensive, preparing to ambush a cricket. It is a highly efficient system for staying alive. This unique visual system makes the chameleon an incredibly effective hunter. Before it commits to striking, it has already gathered all the information it needs. It knows exactly where its prey is, how far away it is, and whether any threats are nearby. The ability to look in 2 directions at once ensures that it is rarely caught by surprise. Its eyes are not just windows to the world. They are sophisticated surveillance tools that give it a major advantage in the struggle for survival. The combination of panoramic vision and precise, focused targeting makes the chameleon's eyes one of the true marvels of the animal kingdom. When a chameleon hunts, it uses a secret weapon, its tongue. A chameleon's tongue is incredibly long, often 1.5 to 2 times the length of its body, not including the tail. It is kept coiled up inside the mouth, ready to be deployed at a moment's notice. When prey like a cricket, fly, or grasshopper comes within range, the chameleon's eyes lock on. It takes aim and then it launches its tongue with astonishing speed. The tongue shoots out of its mouth like a sticky missile, traveling so fast that it is often just a blur to the human eye. This powerful projection system is what makes the chameleon such a successful ambush predator. The tongue-lashing mechanism is a wonder of biology. It works like a catapult. A special set of accelerator muscles inside the chameleon's throat contracts, loading up potential energy in elastic tissues. When the chameleon is ready to strike, it releases this energy and the tongue fires forward at high velocity. The tip of the tongue is not just sticky, it is shaped like a muscular club with a small suction cup effect. When it hits the insect, the tip forms a vacuum seal, and the stickiness of its saliva helps to hold the prey tight. The chameleon then rapidly retracts its tongue, pulling the captured meal back into its mouth to be eaten. This method of hunting is extremely efficient. Since the chameleon does not have to move its body to catch food, it can save valuable energy and remain perfectly camouflaged. It can snatch insects from a distance, catching them on leaves or branches that would otherwise be out of reach. This ability allows chameleons to hunt a wide variety of prey, from small ants to larger beetles, and even for the biggest chameleon species, small birds or other lizards. The tongue is both a long-range weapon and a precision tool, allowing the chameleon to be a patient and deadly hunter without ever revealing its location. In conclusion, chameleons are truly special animals because of their unique combination of amazing adaptations. From their color-changing skin that communicates their feelings and hides them from view, to their 360-degree vision that sees everything at once, they are built for survival. Their lightning-fast, sticky tongue allows them to be expert hunters without ever moving from their perch. These features make the chameleon a master of its treetop world. They are a perfect example of how evolution can create a creature that is beautifully and wonderfully suited to its environment, reminding us of the incredible diversity and ingenuity found in nature.